Okay, so my internet went in and my internet went out. So I'm creating another video, which is very cool. Another video here. Okay, so once we are, and I'll add these in, I'll add these in the comments. I assume I'm in my still in there. Okay, so here you under bulk editor, so you can check whatever you don't, whatever is not. You see, once the product categories, so you actually have to add the product categories, which is a pain, and then it will be, they will be, see here, t-shirt, product category reserves 100 products, and so we have to do this by hand. It's no easy way to do it. I have no idea why the Google categories are in here. So it wants Google categories. So obviously this is a work in progress. We don't know why they want the Google categories, but if they're asking for it, yep, we are going to give it to them. Available, adding pricing, meta fields, Google product category. So it's in the meta fields. Okay, so that's what we have to add. I was just thinking, where can we find that? So if I'm going to add that in the meta fields, then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use my app. If I leave this page, I'm going to try and use my app, Excelify, and it's brilliant for uploading and downloading your products. And it does have Google meta fields in it as well. So you can actually do it on Excelify. Okay, that's it for now. I just wanted to show you what you need to do, and I know that Kelly, I thought we were actually connected, but it looks like you're not, so you have to set this up, and then you go to settings and you can see nothing is set up because everything is being grayed out. So if once you're set up, then all of that will be clear. Settings, you see here, everything is connected. So you want to make sure that everything's connected. Set up customer tracking. That's another one that we probably have to do. And for some reason, customer tracking, here's a new thing that I have not seen. Enable customer tracking, enhance maximum. This option is personal customer details. Okay, and then confirm. Okay, let's do enhanced. If you're tracking details. So, and then we have to approve it, and for some reason we can't approve it because this is telling me it's not connecting. So if it doesn't work, come back to it and reconnect. As I said, this is entire screen. I want to disconnect. This is always a work in progress because it is Facebook, and Facebook has its quirks. So if it doesn't work in the beginning, just come back and refresh and try again. And then, okay, so if you've connected to Facebook, it takes 3 days for it to actually refresh and do something and make it live. So you've got to be patient. So if you're going to add everything to it, to make sure also that you've added everything to your phone and to Instagram, your business account, your catalog's connected, your page is connected, boom, and then you connect to Facebook and Instagram. Okay, I will be posting regularly on new stuff that's happening on Shopify, and because I'm actually finishing writing my book as a print version, I'm going to have an updated version for you ready by the end of this month with everything that's new on Shopify. They're updating right now as I'm speaking on new stuff all the time. Thanks for listening, and bye.